everybody, it's Mrs. Mertz. Get your pencils ready. We have another Gacha Life girl drawing. This time she has kind of a sailor outfit on. All right, so we're gonna start again with a little line going across. Then we're gonna come over here and we're gonna draw a hat. So the hat is gonna come across like so. Then it's gonna come up like that. Then it's gonna have a little brim like that. There we go. Then on the hat, it's got some shine lines. Go, and then this is all colored in black, and I'll do that later. Okay, so from there we have some hair coming down. So we've got a little piece here, a little piece here, a little piece there, coming back down. There we go. Then we have another piece here. So we have a few pieces underneath. We've got her little mouth, little toothy, little nose. Then we've got an eye here, an eye here. They're gonna come up and around. And we've got some big shiny spots, eyelash. We've got coming up here, around, eyelash. All right. Then in the back, we've got this big hair. So it's gonna come out. These are gonna be like, kind of like bubbly with zigzags on them. Kind of looks like fire to me. All right, there we go. Okay, now we're gonna put her body on. So for this, we're gonna have two lines coming out like so. Then we're gonna draw a little circle here for her scarf. And we're gonna draw a line back, a line back, a line down, down. And then it's gonna come back in. There's gonna be a line through the middle of that. Then we're gonna have a little like a smushed oval here. And then another line right here. And then we're gonna have another line right there. There you go, there's the top of her shirt. A little complex, but nothing we can't handle, right, maniacs? Okay. So then we're gonna come over here, draw her chest, and then it's gonna come down, back around, in like that. Then out here, we're gonna have her shirt, sleeve, like that. Then over here, we're gonna have her shirt sleeve, like so. And then her arm is gonna come over and up, over and up. And we'll just put a little accent of a hand there. Then we're gonna have this hand coming down, little bracelet here. Then we're gonna draw the thumb and the hand. Easy schmeezy. We got this. Okay, then for her skirt, it's gonna come down like that. And then we've got some accent lines. Okay, then for her legs, they're pretty simple, just straight down. And then we're gonna draw some little ruffly socks. And we're gonna draw a strap coming across her shoes with a circle. And we're putting kind of a curve to it. And we're drawing the end of her foot. This is like the inside of her shoe, and then we've got the outside of her shoe. Yeah. Just like that. Put her on the ground so we know she's not floating. And ta-da! There you go. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania.